Circle's boat ride. Little Circle is going out for the day with her family.
You need to wear this life jacket.
Little Circle wonders what they'll be doing. Then Little Circle sees a huge boat. "We're going on a boat ride," says Brother Circle. Little Circle has never been on a boat before. She's not sure if she will like it. She can feel the boat floating up and down in the water. "I don't like boats." Little Circle clings to Mama Circle with her eyes shut tight. The boat starts to move through the water. "Look, dolphins!" Little Circle forgets all her fears. She loves dolphins. "Now I love boats," Little Circle says joyfully.